Actually Gwadar, and that is the seaside of it. Very fresh air is coming from this door. Looking, that is the door, because the meaning of Gwadar is actually Goa mean air, Dar mean door. The air is coming from that door. So very fresh air is over there, and the sand untouched. You know, untouched sand is over there. Never somebody has touched it. That is quite fresh. It is smell, fresh smell is good. Now it is going to be a big city within days. Now there is Princess of Hope lives over there. Now after 2 or 3 years, I hope that will be a really great place. And we'll enjoy our scenes over there. A sea full of fresh air. Nice of you.